Okay. So today we're going to be doing some multiplication trick. Okay. So for the multiplication trick here, I'll be talking about the multiplication trick for table 12. You know, there are several ways in which we can do multiplication. But for table 12, this is quite not easy. Like a lot of people can memorize this table 12. You know, people can memorize the table 12. So for you to do this table 12, you don't need to memorize anything. What you just have to do is you write from 1 to 12 by skipping just two numbers. Here we have 1, 2, okay? And then we have 3. Here we have 4. Now we skip 5. We skip 5. So we move to 6. And here we go to 7. You can see I'm following it sequentially. You go to 8. You go to 9. Simultaneously, yeah, okay, we go to 10 and we skip 11. Finally, we go to 12. After that, what next? We need to write all the even numbers we know. The even numbers we know. So the even numbers start with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So instead of 10, we write 0. You start again. 2. This is another even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, which is 0. Now have a look at it. You can see that this is the multiplication trick. It works, you know. Yeah, as a student, if you memorize, fine, but if you don't, then there's no problem with you just learning this trick. So the first thing you have to do is to write 1, 2, 3, 4. You skip 5, you write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You skip 11, you go to 12. Okay. After skipping this, then on the right side, you write the even numbers. So the even numbers will start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Instead of having 10, you write 0. You try again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is going to work. If you have questions, ask in the comment section, then I can do some more. Now, let's do 13. Let's do for table 13, okay? Let's do for table 13. Any question on this? If no question, let's do table 13. Now, for table 13, I'm going to do for table 7. Table 7 is the most tricky. But after table 13, I'm going to do for table 7. Now, let's have a look at this. Table 13. For table 13, we want to follow the same thing. But one thing about table 13 is that we want to skip the multiples of 4. That is 4, 8, 12. That is what we want to skip. So we're going to use the same method. So here we have 1, 2, 3. So here we skip 4. The multiples of 4, we're going to skip it. So we have 5, we have 6, 7. We skip 8. Okay? Here we have 9, 10, 11. We skip 12. So here we have 13. So we skip the multiples of 4. We skip 4, we skip 8, and we skipped 12. Okay? Now, what is the next thing to do? The next thing is to write the multiples of 3. And the multiples of 3 start with 3, 6, 9. Then we have 12, right? Don't write 12, write the last digit, which is 2. Okay? So the last digit is 2. After 12, we have 15. The last digit is 5. You know, the multiples of 3. So here we do with the multiples of 3. After 15, we have 18, right? The last digit. After 18, we have 21, right? The last digit, which is 1. After 21, we have 24, right? The last digit, which is 4. After 24, we have 27. The last digit is 7. And after 27, multiples of 3, we have 30. The last digit is 0. So this is just the sequence you follow for table 13. Okay? The first thing you do is to write out the numbers from 1 to 13 by skipping the multiples of 4. And the multiples of 4 is 4, 8, and 12. You can see we skipped this. We skip 4, we skip 8, we skip 12. So, and after that, you can write the last digit for the multiples of 3. Now, I have something very interesting. Something very interesting about this. Very interesting. How can you multiply large numbers? Okay, let me just clean this. Here we have multiplying large even numbers. Okay, by 5. For example, here we have 14 times 5. Here we have 38 times 5. Here we have 76 times 5. Here we have 80 or 88 times 5. How can we do this? Here we want to talk about the multiplication trick that you can use to do this. You know, one thing about 5 is that 5 is the half of 10. 5 is half of 10. So that is what you need. So what you just have to do is this. This is 14 times 5. So you need to take half of 14. What is half of 14? 7. So 7 times 5 is what? 35. Okay? Oh, sorry. Don't do that, please. Don't do that. 14 times 5, right? Just take half of 14, which is what? 7, and add 0 to it. Yes. Second, we have 38 times 5. Take half of 38, which is 19. Right? And add 0 to it. Here, we have 76 times 5. What is half of 76? We have 3, put 1 here, 8. So we have 38. So it's going to be 380. I want you to do the last one for me. Use the same method. What is going to be 88 times 5? Okay, 88 times 5. So what I've been doing so far is, okay, since we know that 5 is half of 10, what I just did is 14, half of 14 is 7, add 0 to it. Here we have 19. We have 38. Half of 38 is 19, add 0 to it. The same thing here. So I want you to try this and put the answer in the comment section. Let's see. I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be waiting. Just do the last part. Okay, I want you to do this last part. If you want to have I have a lot of videos on my channel. You can just click on the subscribe button, and you can have time to watch this video after the recording. I've done a lot of math trick on my channel. Just subscribe and have a look at my videos. You can look at my YouTube shorts, my full YouTube videos. I have a lot of videos there. So just check out my channel. Now, what is the answer to the last one? Yeah, 440. Yeah, I can see the comment section. Good. Just half of this is 4, 4. And add 0 to it. So any large numbers, in fact, if you are giving 1860 times 5, it is going to be easy for you to do if you can use this trick. This is just 930, right? So your answer is just 9300. Very fast. Just take half of the number, add 0 to it. Now you can do any number, any numbers, any numbers, any numbers. So just take half and add 0 to it. Okay? Now I'm going to do another trick right now. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's very important. So you can check. I have a lot of videos I've done, over 400 videos on my channel. Any questions so far? I have percentage trick. I'm going to do it next. Okay, let me clean this. Okay. Let me clean this. So let's talk about the percentage trick. Now, for the percentage trick, I have some questions for you on this. Okay. What is the comment? Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, look at this percentage trick. If you have 2% of um 300, you have 5% of 1500. Number 3, here you have 7% of 400. Now the percentage trick, anytime you are having 2 zeros at the end of of your number, percentage is very easy in this regard. Very easy and straightforward. What you just have to do is that the percentage cancel out the 2 zeros. 2 times 3 equals to 6. Just multiply. 2 times 3 gives 6. Here, 2. Percentage cancel out the 2 zeros. 5 multiplied by 15 gives 75. Here, the percentage cancel out these 2 zeros. 7 multiplied by 4 gives 28. Gives 28. So this is for the percentage trick. It works. Okay. So if you're having 2 digits, just let your percentage cancel out the 2 zeros and work perfectly. Yeah, it works perfectly. Okay. One more trick tonight before leaving. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. So the last trick for tonight is going to be cube root trick. Cube root trick. Cube root. Just click on the subscribe button to watch my video next. After this, just click on the subscribe button and you can share my channel to your friends that can benefit. Now we have the cube root trick. Here we have cube root of 125. Here we have cube root of 343. Here we have cube root of 216. 216. This is another trick. And this is going to be my last trick for tonight. So If you have not subscribed, just click on the subscribe to watch this video and see some of the tricks I've done in this video. Now, if you want to do the cube root trick, what you just have to do is this. Cube root of 125, you don't need to memorize, okay? This works for 3 digits. You can try it for 4 digits and see if it's going to work too. For 3 digits here, just add up. This is 1, 2, 5. 1 plus 2 plus 5. This is going to be 8, right? 1 plus 2 plus 5. Take away the cube root. 8 minus 3, which is the cube root, which is 5. So that is the cube root of 125 is 5. Do you get it? Let me explain again. Look at the digit 1, 2, 5. Okay? 1 plus 2 plus 5 gives 8. You just take away the roots, which is 3. We have 5. Let's do for the second part. Cube root of 343. We have 3 plus 4 plus 3 gives 10. Just take away this root, which is 3. And this gives 7. The cube root of 343 is 7. Use the same method for question number 3. Tell me the answer in the comment section. How do you do it? Just put it in the comment section. Let me see what you did. How do you get a cube root of 216? This is going to be my last example for tonight. Please click on the like button and subscribe so that you can watch. I have over 400 videos on this channel. You can watch just for you. I mean, it's free. I don't charge for my videos. It's just for you to understand mathematics. Yeah. So just put it good. Yeah. Great. So, great. You got it right. 6. What I just did is 2 plus 1 plus 6. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 3 gives 6. Yeah, if you enjoy what we did today, subscribe and you can share. So I'm going to end the live session now. You can watch some of my videos, share with your friends to benefit. See you next time. Bye.